Guys, in this video, I will be telling you how to make a profit and tear down. Anyways, let me show you what you have to do. Yes. Okay, guys. So first, you must kill this T-Rex. What I want to do so I can break the angles, and then after that you just cut off the head. You see this now? After that, you must do this. Right, now we must turn it into gold. Right, once you get your gold, I want to choose stainless steel, stainless good. Now, you want to add hit it with that green balloon brown. Uh-oh. Yeah, we don't care about this fight. Sometimes you pop out and show me. So the problem is, always go for the ankles. Ankles. Like, so this we dropped. Some sides and some sides. His on it, and then boom, on it. Why that cool? Okay. Is it not fucking carry? Yeah, not bad, guys. So after that, you want to scatter the pieces like this. Oh shoot. And then you want everyone collect all the pieces. And then make profits. Or you can just turn the whole. Let me show you something I guess. This is smarter, better, more human way. We're gonna use a spider slice with this one. Since everybody likes that spot. Why are you doing this, monkey? Wait, turn it into gold, turn it into gold, turn it into gold, turn it into gold. This preserve the living being inside. Everything gold. That's tickle his tail. Oops. Oh, guess what happens? Big brain moment. Like, now you're gonna give this drug to the scientist, and then you'll just tell them that you found it in your backyard. You guys go. It's dinosaur, and if they don't give you the money, tell them that you have a whole body of a dinosaur's not its head in your backyard, and then when they come home, they act I tell you, that's plot. Hi.